Welcome. If you want to enter split screen in your Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, at the first you have to open apps that you are going to use, so in my case it will be Google Play Store and also the settings. Next we have to tap right here to open the background apps, click on the icon of the application, select to open in the split screen view, then pick the second app. We can select app in the apps on the edges, but we can also click, okay, we cannot actually. So as you can see, it changed, it's something new, but we can go right here on this marker and we can select another app from menu. And as I said before, we are going for the settings. And right now we can easily adjust the size of this split screen mode by moving with our finger. And of course we can use the two apps at the same time, so it's really cool. And of course if you want to turn it off, this mode, you have to swipe like that. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.